Okay, a very good morning dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, in the last class we were discussing problems of worksheet 2 of the chapter your exponent and radical. Up to number 2 we had discussed. Okay, the last bit of number 2 was left. Let us complete that and we will go to the next number, that is 3, 4, etc. Okay, see what is given in question number 2, the last bit. It is given, see, find the value of 4 into, this is suppose 81, you see, 81, 4 into 81 to the power minus 1 by 2 into 81 to the power half plus 81 to the power 3 by 2. How to find the value? See, this 81 can be written as 9 to the power 2, okay, into minus 1 by 2, now 2 cancel. Again 81 you write as 9 to the power 2 into 1 by 2 because it is given 81 to the power 1 by 2. So if you write 81 as 9 to the power 2, then this power 2 and 1 by 2 will be multiplied by the law of exponent, that is a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m into n. Okay. Now in a similar manner you break this. Now 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So what is left here? 4. Here it is 9 to the power minus 1. Here it is 9 to the power 1, that is 9. And here it is 9 to the power 3, that is 729. So this will be how much? 9 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 9. So it will be 4 by 9. So what will be my next step? 4 by 9 into, this is 738. Now you cancel 9, 8, 72, 1, 82. So now 4 2 is 8, 4 8 is your 32. 328. This will be the answer. Okay. So this is how to do number, the last bit of number 2. Now see number 3, evaluate. Number 3 is evaluate. See, how to evaluate? Evaluate. What is the first question? The first question is 0.04. It is a decimal number, whole to the power 3 by 2. How to evaluate this type of exponential expression? See, first you express this one as a fraction. First you make it fraction. It will be 4 by 100. Because after point there are two places, decimal places. So when it is changed to fraction, it will become 4 by 100. So 4 by 100, 3 to the power 2. Now see, this 4 by 100, 4 by 100, how can we write? We can write it 2 by 10 whole square, you see. Because 2 by 10 whole square is 4 by 10. So 2 by 10 whole square to the power 3 by 2. Okay. Now I omit this bracket, so 2 and 3 by 2 will be multiplied. So it is 2 by 10 whole to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Now 2 cancel. So it is 2 by 10 whole cube. That means it is 8 by 1000. You see, 2 by 10 whole cube is 8 by 1000 and 8 by 1000 will be 0.008. See. So this will be the value. Okay. Now let me discuss more questions of this number, that is number 3. Okay. So what is the second bit given? Let us see. Second bit is 6.25 whole to the power 3 by 2. Whole to the power 3 by 2. How to do this one? Let us see. Now again you change it into fraction. It will be 625 by how much? 100 whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay. Now this is 625. It is the square of 25. 100. It is the square of 10. That means it will be 25 by 10 whole square. And this 3 by 2 will be multiplied. Now 3 by 2, 2 cancel. Okay. So it will be how much? It will be 25 by 10 whole cube. Okay. What will be the answer? 10 whole cube is 1000. And 25 whole cube means 25 into 25 into 25. Okay. You multiply 25 3 times. It will be 15625. 15,625 will be the cube of 25. Now there are 3 zeros, so change it into a decimal again. It will be 15.625. It will be 15.625. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us discuss the next question given in this number. How to solve? So what is the C question number given in C? You see, it is a very big number. 0.0 0.03125. See, 0.03125 whole to the power minus 2 by 5. See, 0.03125. Yes. How to do this ones? In a similar manner, first you change it into fraction. It is 3125 divided by how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros you put. Okay. Now this is the you converted it into fraction. Okay. Whole to the power minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Okay. Now see this one. This one will be 10 to the power how much? As there are 5 zeros. As there are 5 zeros towards the right of 1, it will be 10 to the power 5. Now what about 3125? 3125. How to express it? That means whose power will be 5 so that the value will be this much. Actually it will be 5 to the power 5. How to know? You find the prime factorization. See, I am finding the prime factorization. 5, 6, 31, 2, 5, you see, 5, 125, 5, it is 25, 5, it is 5. See, 5 to the power 5. So 3125 can be written as 5 to the power 5. And this 1 lakh can be written as 10 to the power 5. That means this will be equal to 5 by 10 whole to the power 5. You see. And multiplied by minus 2 by 5. Now you cancel 5 and 5. So what is left? It is 5 by 10 whole to the power minus 2. So 5 by 10 means it is what? 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 means it is 1 by 2 to the power 2. So this will be 4. This is 1 by 4. 1 divided by 1 by 4. 1 divided by 1 by 4 will become 4. Okay. So this is the answer. 4 will be the answer. Now another question. See. D. It is 0.008 whole to the power 2 by 3. See. Similarly, if you change it into fraction, it will be 8 by 1000. As there are 3 decimal places, so there will be 3 zeros after 1. So 8 by 1000 whole to the power your 2 by 3. Now see, this 8 by 1000 can be written as 2 by 3 whole cube. Because 2 by 10 whole cube, 2 by 10 whole cube. If you multiply 2 by 10 3 times, then only you will get 8 by 1000 into 2 by 3. Now 3 cancel. It is 2 by 10 what? Whole square. 2 by 10 means it is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 whole square. Okay. See. Once again 0.008, it is 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000 whole to the power 2 by 3. Okay. Now this is cube of 2, this is cube of 10. 2 by 10 whole to the power 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancel. 2 by 10 whole square. 2 by 10 whole square is what? 2 by 10 whole square is your, you can say it is 4 by 100. 2 by 10, because we have to find the answer in decimal. Because the question is given in decimal, the answer must be in decimal. Okay. So 4 by 100 will be 0.4. So this will be the answer. 0.04, not 0.4. 0.4 is 4 by 10. So 4 by 100 means it is 0.04. So in this way, you will do number 3. Let us do number 4. Okay. In number 4, what is given? Let us see. In number 4, it is given evaluate. Again, it is a question based on evaluate. You see how to evaluate. These are only practice questions. See, what is the first question? 6 square. See, 6 square plus 8 square whole to the power 1 by 2. How to find out? Very simple it is. First we have to do the work of the bracket. 6 square is 36. This is 64 whole to the power 1 by 2. This is your 100. 100 to the power 1 by 2. Now 100 means it is 10. You see the denominator is 2. So express 100 as 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 2. So 10 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel. So it is 10 to the power 1. That is 10. The answer will be 10. See. Now let us do the second one. What is the second question? 5 into 8 to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3 whole cube. Then it is whole to the power 1 by 4. You see, such a complicated expression. Whole to the power 1 by 4. Okay. How to find out? Let us see. First you do the work of this inner bracket. So let 5 be constant. This is 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 because 8 means 2 to the power 3. Similarly this is 27. 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 whole to the power 3 again whole to the power 1 by 4. Now see 3 cancel, 3 cancel. So what is left? Let us see. 2 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2, 3 to the power 1 is 3. This is cube. Whole to the power your 1 by 4. Okay. Now, what will be the next step? Let us see. What will be my next step? After this, what we will do? See. Now it is 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. So 5 into 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 to the power 3. Whole to the power how much? 1 by 4. Okay. 5 to the power, see. 5 to the power, this is 5 to the power 1 plus 3. Because you see, here the base is same, here power 1, here power 3. As they are multiplied, so it will be added 1 by 4. Now 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 cancel, the answer is 5. You see. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 5. Okay, next. Another one. Let me discuss the next one. See. 17 square. See, 17 square minus 8 square whole to the power 1 by 2. How to find out? How to evaluate this one? See. 17 square. What is the square of 17? You find out 289. And what is the square of 8? It is 64. Whole to the power, you see, whole to the power 1 by 2. Now 289 minus 64, it will be 225. 225 to the power 1 by 2. Now as the denominator is 2, you express it as an exponential term whose power is 2. It is 15 square. 15 into 15 is 225. So 15 square whole to the power 1 by 2. So this is 15 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel. So the answer will be 15. You see. So the answer will be 15. So this is the evaluated value. Okay. Now the last question of this number. See. What is the last question? The last question is like this. What is the last question? It is given, see, 1 cube number D. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. You see, 2 cube plus 3 cube whole to the power minus 5 by 2. Whole to the power minus 5 by 2. See, minus 5 by 2. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube whole to the power minus 5 by 2. How to evaluate this? Very simple. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is you multiply 2 3 times, it is 8. You multiply 3 times, it is 27. Whole to the power minus 5 by 2. Now you add the 3, it will be 36. 36 to the power minus 5 by 2. Now 36, here look at the denominator. Here the denominator is 2. So 36 we can write as 6 to the power 2 whole to the power minus 5 by 2. And this will be 6 to the power 2. On omitting the bracket, if you omit the bracket, this 2 and minus 5 by 2 will be multiplied. So 2 into minus 5 by 2. Now 2 cancel. So what is left? 6 to the power minus 5. Now it is a negative exponent. Change it into positive. It is 1 by 6 to the power 5. Okay, 1 by 6 to the power 5. Now if you multiply 6 5 times, if you multiply 6 5 times, it will be 1 by 7776. 7776. This will be the answer. Okay, so like this you will do. Now let us do number 5. Okay, let us do number 5. This completed number 4. Let us discuss number 5. So what is given in number 5? In number 5 it is given simplify and express with positive index. You see, simplify and express as positive index. Positive indices. Okay. So how to do? Let me discuss one question at least. So 2x to the power 1 by 6. See, 2x to the power 1 by 6 into 2x to the power minus 7 by 6. So what to do? First you multiply 2 and 2. These are the coefficients. So 2 they 4 into x to the power 1 by 6. Look at these two terms are multiplied. They are same base. So this power will be added minus 7 by 6. So it is 4x to the power. It will be minus 6 by 6. That is 4x to the power 1 minus 7 minus 6. 4x to the power minus 1 by minus 1. Because 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 6 is minus 1. And this will be 4 into 1 by x. So it is 4 by x. So this will be the answer. Okay. So children, like this you will solve rest of the questions. We will discuss more questions about it. This exercise, there are some more questions also in this exercise. We will discuss it in the next class. Okay children, I hope whatever problems I explained you must have understood. If you think yes, what Mahanti sir is explaining we are able to understand, he is explaining us very nicely, then I must say that you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, we will discuss the rest of the questions of this worksheet in the next class. Thank you.